How to sell products on eBay with Printify. Printify eBay tutorial. Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to sell products on eBay using Printify. eBay is one of the largest online marketplaces with millions of buyers around the world, and Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom-designed products without the hassle of inventory and shipping. With Printify, you can create unique designs for t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and more, and have them printed and shipped directly to your customers when they place an order. By integrating Printify with eBay, you can reach even more potential customers and grow your business. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is go to printify.com, which is what we are seeing right now. If you don't have an account, you can simply sign in or sign up for your account. Now, after doing that, this is what you would see. And what we're going to check out right now is the catalog over here. Now, under the catalog, this is where you will be able to see all the different products that you can create using Printify. As you can see here, we have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids' clothing, accessories, and home living. Under men's clothing, you can see that we have different type of clothing over here. Very similarly with women's clothing, except they have a skirt and dresses over here. And it was also very similar to the kids' clothing. Now, other accessories, this is where you will be able to create accessories such as face masks, phone cases, bags, socks, underwears, hats, and many more. You can also create home living type of products such as mugs, canvas, posters, towels, blankets, bathroom products, and home decor. Now, you can choose any of this product depending on what type of eBay store you are trying to create, or if you want to be a general type of store, you can simply create any of this option. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the bestseller over here. The bestseller means that these are the different products that people are buying the most. As you can see here, we have a t-shirt, a tote bag, a hoodie, and different options over here. We also have socks over here and some notebooks over here. You can also sell stickers by choosing this option over here. Now, what I'm going to choose to sell for our eBay store is, for example, I'm going to choose this mug over here. I'm going to click this. And by clicking on the specific product, you would be able to see information about that specific item. As you can see here, we are currently seeing what type of product it is and what type of mug, what it is made of, what it is, the different features of the mug. When you click on read more, we would be able to see the key features, which is vibrant color, dishwasher safety, and Microsoft Safe. We can also see different mock-ups of the mug over here by clicking on the different image options on the left side. As you can see here, we'd also see care instructions, size guides, and other different products that we would like. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the print provider over here. On other products, there would be more print providers, but right now we only have one. So we're simply going to click on Start Designing. And over here, we are seeing our editor page for Printify. As you can see, this is the 3D view for our mug. It's showing us what is going to appear on the specific side of this canvas. And you could add designs from this section over here on the new design. And you could add designs from My Devices, Custom Text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Fiverr. In Fiverr, you could hire a professional designer to create a design for you. Now, on your library, you would be able to see here all the old images or designs that you have created previously. You could also see your My Templates and Graphics section over here. Now, under graphics, this is where you will be able to add different types of elements into your canvas over here. As you can see, we have text elements, Easter holidays, and different types of elements. Now, although this editor page of Printify is very good, you could create very good designs and graphics, I would suggest that you use Canva instead, because I think over here you would be able to be more creative with what you are creating. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to choose a template that fits our chosen product over here. So over here, we're going to try and search mug. And we're going to click on the mug section over here. And this page will show us all the different templates that we can use to create our mug design. Now, although it is free for us to use, you can simply edit whatever content the mug has. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create a blank mug over here, which will allow us to create our very own design without the help of any template. Now, as you can see, we even have a mug shape over here so that we know how it would look like in real time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left side on the elements. And this is where we will be able to find different elements of different topics depending on what topic we search, and it would appear over here. For example, we're going to search for fruits. Just like that, we're going to search that. We're going to wait for it, and we're going to click on graphics over here. If you're trying to look for a realistic design, you should click on photos instead, and it will provide you with realistic photos. And we're going to wait for our different graphics to load. As you can see, we have the different fruits loaded in. So we're simply going to choose an element that we like. For example, I like this banana element over here. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to enlarge in my design, put it in the middle of our design, just like that. And we could add another elements that we could add to this, or we could simply click on our element once again, and we could alt and copy this. Then we could click on the specific image, and we could change the design to all black, just like this. This is what we're going to use as our background, just like this. We're going to enlarge it a bit, just like that. And then we're going to click on position, move it to back, just like that. And we're going to change our location, just like that. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to text over here, and we're going to choose a specific font that we would like. For example, this one. When we click this, it will automatically appear on our canvas, just like that. And you can simply choose the specific part of the font that you like, and then we're going to change this to banana, just like that. We're going to change the size, just like that. We're going to delete this duplicate over here. We're going to put it on top of our design. We're going to select our design for a bit. We're going to lower it because it's not fitting, just like that. And then we're going to click our banana once again. We're going to edit our text. We're going to highlight this, and then we're going to change our text color to make it fit our banana. Let's see what else we could change with our banana over here. We're going to change our splice color over here to brown, just like that. And we could also add more effects by just sliding here and clicking on curve. Could lessen the curve of our banana over here, just like that. Make it centered, and we can turn our outline to black, just like that. And as you can see, we have a very simple design for a mug that is focused on a banana. So what we're going to do next is we're simply going to click on share, click on download, and wait for it to finish, and then click on download once again. And our PNG for our banana design will start downloading, as you can see over here. After downloading, we're simply going to go back to Printify over here and click on new design, then add design from my device. We're going to choose our banana design over here. We're going to wait for it to upload. And as you can see, our design is now uploaded to Printify. We're simply going to adjust our design over here. We're going to put it in the middle, just like that. We could check out how our mug would view by clicking on the 3D preview over here, and we would be able to see what our banana would look like, just like that. And if we're satisfied, we could click on save product over here, and we would be redirected to this page over here. Now on the first part, we can see that we have different mockups on our screen over here. It's not showing our design properly because our design is in the middle, but as you can see here, we have a mockup for our design, just like that. Now over here, we can edit our description, like our title over here. We could change it to banana ceramic mug, just like that. We could add more description. We could check out the different variants, and after that, you can simply click on connect a store over here. And this will take us to the section where we will be able to connect our store with eBay. As you can see right now, I already have an eBay connected store, but for you guys who have not connected your eBay with Printify just yet, you can simply click on add the new store over here on the top. And by clicking this, you would be able to connect your eBay to your Printify store. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.